Welcome to the Fordham University Libraries instructional video series. I'm Mike Magilligan, the Business Reference Librarian at Fordham, and this screencast will explain how to do basic company research using Mergent Online. All library research should begin on the library homepage, fordham.edu/library. From the homepage, we will click on the Database tab, and then onto the Database A to Z list. Under the letter M, we will find Mergent Online. We will then be brought to the Mergent homepage where we can start our research by simply putting the company's name we're interested in into the search box. For this example, let's search Nike. So you can see we click on the company's name and we'll be brought to the company profile page. This will give us an overview of the company. Some things on the top up here to pay attention to are the NAICS codes, and underneath that we can click on these tabs to explore a company's finances, pricing, and reports, etc. We can also use an interesting and handy feature by clicking on a report builder here as well. This will be for Nike, and we can build a custom report based on whatever criteria we select. For instance, let's get Nike's long-term debt, move it over here, get the closing price, and you can see we can select the date range, but we'll just do today. And finally, let's just get the price change. We can select numerous formats, but let's just get a PDF and create our report. Open it up, and we see general information about our company. Again, we see all our NAICS codes and a ticker symbol and other relevant info. And if we scroll down, we can see all the criteria that we did to build our report. So this is Mergent Online, and it's a great way to get our company research started. Thanks for watching our instructional video series, and help is available 24/7 by clicking on the Ask a Librarian tab on our homepage.